All right, so I'm sharing the desktop. And possibly it's likely that Felix will walk us through, but let's get the image up first and then once we get the image up. So Simon Foundation does Phyllis. Phyllis Odum. She owes us all some okra soup. All right. So Phyllis, did you follow the oh, I see what you've done here. Okay, that's fine. Did you follow the video? Did you watch the training?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So can you tell us what you've done quickly on this one? Go, please share with us. This one is gold.
Gold. Okay. Are you sharing your screen, please?
Oh, you're sharing, please.
Oh, okay. Are you able to please allow me to share?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, go on.
Okay.
So go to the real chat and tell us what you did.
Oh, okay.
Because I can see where you created your situations. So create a folder and hide them all in it. Have you created, yeah, you need to create folders for that and hide them all in it. You know what I mean? Once you've done the work, you hide it in the folder and we name it, you know what I mean? Name it foundation or one foundation. But this one, I see you're doing structure.
No. I was adding the structure part to it.
Mhm.
1 second, please. Foundation. Oh wait, that means that I need to.
That's fine. Just pick the foundation. It's fine. Close it. We'll open it and take the structure out. So don't worry. I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
So now open it.
This one.
And then scroll down. Scroll all the way down. Okay. I see. So now go up. Your this thing will be up.
Yeah.
All right. That's fine. Pick one of them and move it out to the top. Click on it first. Yeah, move it to the top beyond the folder. Yeah, that's fine. Now create a folder and call it structure. So name it one, two structure. Let it follow the assignment numbers. Two.
Oh,
Mhm. And the structure, I'm going to increase the number of pairs you need to do because structure is everything. You know what I mean? So now you've selected the second one. Okay. Oh, no, just one. No. Are you moving everything?
yeah, that's the whole structure thing.
That whole thing is structure with a text
Yeah,
message.
I did a lot of them.
Okay, that's fine. They're moving.
Yeah,
And so where's your foundation?
it's this one. Let me turn this one off. You see?
Yeah. Okay, so that's
Yeah.
it. All right. So now go and tell us what you did for foundation and how you got your situation.
Okay.
Mhm. And then we'll do the corrections.
Okay. Where's the labeling? 1 second. Seems
So
like.
go back to the folder. Okay, so you used, okay.
Why does it look like this? When you take the picture, it doesn't look like that.
Oh, the labeling.
Yeah, there's no labeling
No
anymore.
worries. No,
Oh,
no.
wait, it means I turned it off. It's here.
So it's in the
It's in
structure,
here.
which means you
Yeah.
have to go and take the text out and put it in foundation. Does it
Yeah.
make sense? So click, and then pick the T's. Because this thing we are doing, I'm going to just put the record. Now I'm going to do this, our YouTube links private. Because the course that we are on, that I'm giving to you guys, I signed a non-disclosure agreement.
Okay.
All right, so now close your foundation. Close your structure. The structure instead. Yeah. So now where's your situation?
Okay. So 1 second. So I started from here.
Yeah. How did he create your situation?
I
Those, okay, that and that. And which other one?
this one and that one, and then this one and that
Yeah.
one. Do you want me to
Okay,
zoom in?
now the problem with this one is that when you want to create a situation, create it where closer to where price action is.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is apart from that, everything is fine. So that when you make your levels, it will give you room for price to move to that level or price to move down. Do you understand?
Yeah, it was kind of hard to find, but
You can
okay.
find one because I found one. Okay, let me show you one quickly.
Okay.
Note. All right, so all right, monthly. See mine.
Yeah, you're not sharing your screen yet, please.
Oh, sorry. Where is this? You see mine? And even this one. Why am I having shadows on it?
It's the sessions.
That's the sessions.
Session break. Visibility. We don't want it here. Just want it only in the minutes. All right. So I didn't even put my this things on it, but let's find what I did. So I think one is here. Where's that one? The one is here, one is there. So let's put this on it. And then the other one would be possibly there. Okay. And this is gold, yeah?
Yeah.
And then the other one would be, what's the other one? Yeah. Oh, did I do? I don't remember what. Maybe here and here. No, no. I don't remember what I've done. Okay, let's scrap this for now. We'll do another one real quick. So this one is actually another one I'm trading with. So this foundation. Let me close it. Let me take the foundation off altogether. Let's find one. And it is very good that you find it closer to price action because then it means that you would have enough room to trade with. So now let's pick a line. Right. Change the color. Thickness, boom, white. Can you see this and that at least? Yeah. So now we need to find another one. Probably, where can we find one? So maybe if we can find, I see your struggle. So let's see. So this, we cannot use this one. Okay, this and that can work. And then, yeah, this and that. Yeah, I think I found one. One. Yeah, okay. So, there. We need one coming down, does the thing. This is going up. This is also going up. I think I see your struggle. So we can have.
Yeah, and then you know the ones that I kind of found close to the thing as well. When you measure it, it's
Wait.
not between the
Just
range she was
give me a
saying.
minute. I understand. So
Yeah.
I think I'm going to find someone which is probably closer. Okay, I think we could find one. Don't worry. There was a way I found one, so I would find one definitely. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I think I found one. Almost. Yeah, found one. So this and that. Okay. And that. And this one, you're doing it once. So if you go to the pain of finding one, you found it. And then this, see this small one? That's going up. And then that is coming down.
Do you need to measure it, isn't it?
Well,
Or you see how we have to measure the range between
oh yeah,
10
yeah.
and
The range, I think you'll fall within the range. I'm coming. I'm
Oh.
going to the range, yeah. Because I think this is the one I had. See the range? Are we in it?
yeah.
See, because I know I found one already around here, so it wasn't something that I was panicking. It's just that I needed to find which one. So you can go and find yours again, especially on gold, because gold is one of the tradable pairs, and I wish for us to have the same levels. Okay. So with this, we can just align the price. All right. So write the price. Okay. The price is 182,850. Yeah, 1827850 for gold. And then the other price line, let's align that one to 1748. So 1748 and then 187850. Does it make sense? Or we should just let's move this up a bit. 17. Let's see 49, where 49 will go. 49 is still no, we can still. So in that case, we can move it up a little bit and then use this one instead. And so 17, let's say 50 MC. 50. Oof, wrong. One 749.1. Let's do it 49. 1749. It's just a range. Do you understand? So 1749 and 1827.850.
You know, Mr. Michael, sorry, quick question.
Yep.
You know the second one that you have,
This
that's
one. This
the
one.
yeah, that one.
Mhm.
You know how she spoke in the video and said that it doesn't have to be way above the line?
Yeah. It
It
doesn't have
doesn't
to be way above the line. What do you mean?
like you see how
Mhm.
there's a gap between where the point is and where the line is? Yeah.
It's a line. And then here it wouldn't
And
align perfectly. I
and
see
it
what you
doesn't
mean.
have to overlap.
Yeah. But I think for the conditions, we must possibly, okay, let me go back a little bit. There's no action here. Let's see if we can find something else. So, yeah, we can get something here as well.
I'm
Yeah.
just asking, does
We'll
it
go
does
on, we'll
it
go on here.
have-
Don't worry. We've got one here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We got this one. This. And then that. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So if you look, you find. Now our parameters will change. It's just over 500 pips. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, it's coming. You understand? So our new price, then we can align it to, then we can all have the same. That's the 1773.8. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So then you can work with that. All right. You see, so now, based on this, let me see your other assignments quickly, and then we get out of here.
Okay.
So, sorry. Where is the thing? Foundation for this. All right, so this is one, this is the other one, this is one, this is the, which one is that one?
Yes,
The
that
Dow Jones US 30. What was the measure?
it was between
799. Okay, it was
five-
within. This is perfect. You get what I'm saying?
okay.
It's very perfect. And then, so the gold, we can just find adjustment. When you look closely, you can find it. It's fine. Now, what do we have next? GU. So this is one. No, you see, the problem is that
Oh wait, that was a
you-
lot. That's too
you need
much.
one going up and one coming down, which qualifies. This one going up, this one coming down. So
I think with this one, I
you
couldn't
should
pick
have
which
chosen.
one I wanted.
Yeah, so choose whatever you choose, but stick to one up, one down, which is
Yeah.
fine. It's okay, it's perfect. Now, so eventually we would all, the pairs that we're trading, we will all align the same foundations because we're trading it together. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So this one, you got it from all the way here. Do you see the problem with that? This one is GJ. You have to come and find it somewhere there, which I
Okay.
can see actions around it. Okay, so let's say we come to GJ. Tutorial sake. Yeah. Now, where can I find action? I can see one easily here. So there's one option H. Option here. Option H. But why am I not getting anything? Okay, let me find it. Horizontal line here. See it here and there. There's one. And then you can find one possibly there. And there, yeah, there's another one here. Yep. My option's not working. Option H, which is it's very tight, but we can make use with that. Here, you see here, boom, boom, and then there. And then let's do the measurements. Maybe the measurements, but I don't know whether it would be exact. Oh, just over. All right, so if it's over, let's move it to the next level, which is this one. Do you see here and there? Does it make sense?
Yeah. I saw that one and I thought that the other one was overlapping.
Let's see if it's overlapping. Come on. Because the idea is to find it near price action. So let's see. Okay. So this is one, technically. And that one is not overlapping. This one. This very new one. Is it overlapping?
No.
It looks like it. Which one? Oh, the other one. Okay.
Yeah, the second one isn't.
You see, yeah. So and I understand it's your first time, so you would struggle. I struggle many times to find. So it is this one. And then that one. You see, and this type of training, I don't know where one could get these ideas from. You know what I mean? This is not something you see being taught on YouTube. So then here. Doesn't make sense. And then we should be within the range with the measurement. Is a you see, so we are there. Doesn't make sense, guys.
Yeah.
All right. So Phyllis would align when it comes to it's likely we would only trade maximum 3 pairs, all of us, because there's more than enough to even trade 1 pair. Even trade 1 pair, we're good. But we would have teams and we'll be shuffling the team between the pairs. Every month we'll reshuffle the team so that we'll be all masters of those pairs. Excuse me, Felix. Do you see the problem with this one?
Which one is this?
This one is Euro JPY.
Oh, okay.
If I go to Euro JPY, you see, I found one here and there. So I've got my assignments here. Then where's the other situation? Now this one is at the base, but you see price action is way off it. So I need to find one near price action. You get what I'm saying? So in that regard, I could actually less off this and find one closer. Because these are the first ones that I did. So I also struggled a lot with them. So come on, let's find another one. So we can find one. This is going up. This is coming down. Okay, here. Yeah, this is a challenge. Okay, here we can find one here. Option H. Then, oh, so that will be here and here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, this. Was something going up? Difficult. Okay. So I think this will make, we have to more or less like make do with this thing. One coming down, option H. So that is going up. We need something that is coming down, that is going up. So we can live with this.
Biggie, which one is coming down?
I'll show you. I'm going to highlight it. That is coming down. See it. Price is here.
Yeah, I see him. Hey, that one is coming. This one.
And then that is going up. We can use this or that, but this one is more accurate. All right, so that's that really. And then let's say and then from here we're going up twice, don't we? So we are cloning it twice. So it will go over price. Definitely go over price. So I think this is perfect. A66. So we're going 2 times up. Or even more if we want to.
It can even be more depending on the price action.
Yeah, exactly. On the price action. But I'm just saying that we're starting near price action. So, okay, you see us. So we are clean. And then you come down twice. Do you get what I'm saying, Philly? So
Yeah.
please redo them. You should find them and redo them.
Yeah.
We'll review them quick, and then get out of it because I want us to all to be on the same point. Because you see, we'll form a new group. It's likely we'll even be on Telegram. And then for someone to be adopting the group, you would have done all your assignments. You know how to mark your charts. Because we'll be forming groups per trade. Maybe I don't want one person watching one pair. Maybe 3 people watching one pair. So we are all on point. So that when the alert goes off, if this person doesn't catch it, this person catches it, and then we all get the advantage of it. You see? All right. So now last one. So this, yeah, and that, and then this, and that. We can live with this one. It's cool. We can live with this one. Perfect. All right. Now, Pelicious. PKN. Kevin Kuma. Kevin Kuma. PKN, where are you?
Oh, yeah, I'm here. Sorry, I was muted.
PKN, you see?
Sorry.
So PKN, GOAT.
Yeah, I was having the same issue.
So you have
as
the same
Felix.
issue, but you could
Yeah.
find it. Okay.
Yeah,
Remember the price points I gave. That's fine.
yeah,
And then, so you have to do it and resubmit it. I'm going to
yeah, sure.
delete your your work. You have to, because I want to have records of all these. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then next one. This and that. Oh, this price action area. That's perfect. And this and that. So this one is cool. So the ones that are good, maintain them, and the one which is not good, just do them again and then replace. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Mhm. So this one is possibly not the best. So you have to find price. Which one is this one?
One's
GJ. Did
GJ.
we do GJ? I did GJ right now, didn't I? I did GJ. Yeah, I just did GJ. So here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So go and redo it. Cancel. The last one. Yeah, this one too, which is Euro JPY. I just also did that, and I did that one right now. Let me look at what you did. Yeah, here and here, but it was far away from price. Here and here. And then 1, 2. Okay, we can possibly live with that, but try and move it up a bit. Let me see mine, see yours. And it's almost the same. It's almost the same. We can live with that. It's fine. Okay. Just that when we want to add a pair, we'll all come together and create the same levels. So every one of us will have the same levels. And then we trade as a group. It's fine. PK,
Yeah,
you say you emailed this to me.
you say,
Say you
yeah,
emailed
but I for update them. So you, I they send you new one right now.
Okay. We need you to copy the workouts with the
Copycat.
Oh no, it be my old one. You go fit open. I just no indicate the situations. That be all, but
you don't indicate them.
yeah.
So send it indicate the situations, please. We know how we're looking at. We do them.
I they send.
When you
I
send,
they
make a
send.
note. When you send, make a note. Now, and the next thing is structure. Structure is very important. Yeah. So structure, what are we looking at in structure? In structure, we are going to extend the number of things to be done. We are not going to take less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. That's US oil, gold, and gold, oil, this thing, they are the indices. You do that. Because structure, when you get structure, you understand everything about the course. And then you do
I beg, I send give you. Sorry.
okay. Okay, let me mark PKs and then kind of
You go see updated.
look
Yeah.
oh, yeah. Foundation,
Yeah,
okay.
that one.
Let me save your foundation. That's PK. Oh, that's PK. Okay, that's fine. File save us. And then let's save us. All right. Now go to desktop. Go to Jessica Lane. Go to assignment. Save. All right, so you should be here. Okay. So that'll be A. You know, do oil, yeah?
Yeah, sick of.
You know the
I
trader.
think I tell you say now, I know if you find the situation.
Oh,
For
on
the
oil.
For the monthly, yeah.
I'll pick it up for you guys in a second. But let's review this thing. Kaimi, I'll go do them in a second. Yeah, perfect. So here and here, and then here and here. Perfect. Price action. So you couldn't find anything anywhere there. Yeah. So here, and we couldn't find it's fine. It's perfect. Because we couldn't find price action going up from
Yeah, around the current price.
which is gold. So we go come and converge and use one gold levels eventually anyway. So when you have been adopted, then we go update that for you and then we roll. And then 2.
Hold on while I get the
Yeah, bring it.
washing in.
Bring her. She just likes holding this baby all the time. And this baby, she's old enough to start walking around and cooking her own food and everything, isn't it? But you want them to see you on, I'll let them see you on Zoom in a minute. All right. You're going on Zoom in a minute. They can see you on Zoom. Alright.
Oh, thank you.
Hello.
The forex baby.
Mhm. All right. Now, that's PK's gold. And
Now
then
this be US 30.
oh, US 30. Yeah. So US 30. Where's your other? Oh, so this is your situation here and here. No, this
But
is small.
the down one where
This
I
is
don't know.
small. All right. So we need to find something. So here or here, we need to find something else. Okay, so US 30, US oil and US 30, yeah. But I just did US 30, didn't I? But we'll look at it again. So so US 30. And then this and that. This one it look okay. It look dodgy.
I mean, say for expand them give you.
No, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's leave it that way. The day around price section, that's most important. Okay, that's fine. So now US 30 and US 30B, you're down for right now. Or which other one? So gold, US 30B or Yawa one. And then GJ. Oh, look at what you sent me on GJ.
Oh no,
Okay.
this be the old ones. I've update that one give you.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Okay. What, do you want to talk to them yourself? Okay,
Yeah.
so this one be this and that. It be near price action. Okay. You could run this. Okay. You could have, okay, you could have been, okay, that's fine. This one be okay. Yeah. So the challenge we have be with oil and then okay, more they here. Okay, so PK, this one, what have you done? This one will be clear. Your this thing, where this thing, this small thing.
Yeah.
Some will. You could have gone left.
Because I go back, I know really the
Which one is that one? So take note of this one.
This
We'll
be
do that
Euro GBP.
So we are looking at in your case now, GBP, JPY, as
JPY, yeah.
and then Euro, GBP, and then we go look at US oil. Okay, that's fine. Now, what will be your next one? Euro USD. So which is which?
It be the big one.
This one, but the big one is
Yeah.
travel over. They go over. This be perfect. You know what I mean? But
Okay,
this
then
be,
I go shift them. I go shift them to the back. You see the point for the back.
oh, you could have moved it up here.
One way it be dodgy, in back.
This
Oh,
in back would be the here.
Okay, I for realign on it.
Look, you
No,
could
the
have
next one.
you could pick, you see this one,
Yeah.
that one, or somewhere there. I'll find, so which one be this one? EB Euro USD. So let's find those ones now. Euro USD. Okay, so first let's go to GBP JPY. Hey, you're looking at me. All right. You see GBP JPY. What platform you use? FXCM or which one?
They use FX here. Make
FXCM. Let's go and find it on FXCM then. GG. It'd be FXCM this.
FXCM.
Yeah. So then go and find this price. Look the price points I look at now. 170.075.
170. Oh, at the reference.
Mm, 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 mm.
Oh, okay.
And then this one, if you 160, if you do I'm even 900. Focusing. Yeah, 160,900. You see here, then just this bounce off. It just flatten them off. 160,900 or something thereabout. So if not itself, we can go further. You see, even here, go if we bounce them off somewhere here, and one of these. You know what I mean? So we go find. If it be even this thing up, we go even bring them down here. Some like you see here. Look here. Then somewhere like there. But it might not be a lot. Yes. Here. So look, will pick them up small. You can always find if you look. Look, see here, all the way here. Even
Mm.
better. Even better. You can find it. If you look for it, you find it. Come on. Yeah, then there. Then here. You see one they go down, one they go up. Oh, it's big. It'll be more than 1,000. That's a challenge. So let's find another one. So it means say we can find okay. Still probably this one. This and that, no. Why are you crying? Accuracy can hear you. That's your that's your oh, yeah. Yeah, so PK, if will be this one and that one. That's what they meant me. Hold on, pal.
The initial one now.
But the initial one. So it'd be 160, 160,759. Don't cry. So that'd be this one. And then we did talk about oil. Guys, make you hold on a minute. I'm connecting this thing to my bigger distance so I can stand with a lady. Sherry,
Yeah.
gonna connect this, but I'll lift this thing up slightly.
Also this one.
I need to call help. So then we see the things.
Hello. Can you all,
Yeah.
hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, you guys can hear me now. Cause okay, fine. So this be GJ, US oil. This be one. Let me. I think I've done it on my other one. This still on, yeah. And you see where I did it. I went all the way far. Why? Because I wanted to be within price action. So look, you see, I'm still within price action. So I picked it from here. Can you guys see it? This and that. Which price point is about 74.570 thereabouts, let's say. And then I picked this other one, which is that's my point. Yeah, I could have picked it from here, clone it, and then I could still go further to the left and pick it from here. Okay. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
67, something like 430 or something like that. But this thing is Wanda. Yeah. So if you're using another one, we can try and get it from there. Eventually, we all have to convert to the same based on the platform you're trading with. Eventually, because we might be trading the same prop firm anyway, we need to find the same the same broker which matches with that prop firm. All right, MPK, your next one was so we've done GJ, we've done US oil, Euro GBP.
Yeah.
It's the
Euro
next one.
GBP.
But you have to resubmit though. Huh?
Sure.
Yeah, please. Sure. Though some people didn't do a lot, but going forward, we'll be doing all the pairs. So Euro GBP like that. Look at this. I think I see a lot more. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Option H. We can have one here coming down, but we need something going up. So going up, let's come down there. We have something going up here. We have something coming down here. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We even have something coming down here. We can have it going up. Let's see if we can even get some better. Yeah, we need some going up. Yeah. This nearly passed. Okay. We can let this pass as well. Yeah, we can have something like this. You're kicking me, my friend. You're kicking me. So one there. And the other one there. Where is it? Coming down. Yeah. You see that, guys? Yeah, this one. Yeah. So we want it to be nearer to price action as possible. So now that's the first situation. Let's find the other situation. We'll find a good situation. I think I can find one already. One going up, one coming. Yeah, I found one. So now we need to measure and see if that works. You see, so what I've found is this one. Right, that here. And then the other one, clone this. All the way there. Doesn't make sense. This is coming down, that is going up. Doesn't make sense, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's measure and see whether we are within range. If we are not within range, then we need to adjust it. Okay. So now range. Range is this one. Hopefully we are. It says 300 and you see. So we are not within range because we need to be between 500. Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
We are not within range, so we need to readjust this one to somewhere like here. Now I'll tell you what I see in that range. Still 400, we are not within range. Okay, so in that case, let's go up a notch on this one. Let's see if we're within range. And I'll tell you what I see with that. So, if not, we can come down. I think I see something here. Yeah. And hopefully we'll be within range. Yeah, we are within range on this one. So I'll tell you what I see. There's one here. And then there's another one. Okay. There's another one there. Oh, that's not going up. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 minute here. Need to calm this down. And so this one is coming down. We need one rather going up. Okay. Okay. So we have one thing. Oh, I think going up. So we have one going up. We need one coming down. Yeah, we can work with this. Yeah, this and that. And I'll expand for you guys to see it. Don't cry. So you see, we have this one, and then we have that one. Let's see. Let's see if we're within range. Yeah, we are within range on this one. So that and that price point is one is 0.791. And then the other price point is this one. The other price point is 0.873. Are we good?
Yeah.
All right, that's fine. So and eventually we'll have a record of all these price points. And then so we've done oil, haven't we? Hello, we
Yeah,
did oil.
yeah,
So now we're left with Euro
yeah,
USD.
yeah.
Euro
Yeah,
USD.
Euro
So
USD.
Euro USD. Sorry. Euro USD. Yeah, where's Euro USD? Why even have it? Euro USD. Okay. The price action area there. Let's find a line first that can possibly match for us. Yeah, I think something. Or let's find someone near price action first. Yeah, so yeah, found something. Option H. And what are we looking at? We're looking at we're looking at this, okay, and then that one for the situation. Can you guys? Oh gosh. Okay. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
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 How we need. Let's find a line, and then we can measure from that. Option H. So we can say maybe probably this and that. But let's measure and see if we're within range first. Which one is this? Euro USD. Is that how they measure theirs?
It's 500 to
Yeah,
1K.
above.
Yeah, so it's way above.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which means you see when you measure these things and you can see that the small range has big thing, which means the pair moves a lot. You get what I'm saying? Which means there's a lot of volume in that pair, meaning that is a tradable pair. So let's see. Yeah, that one qualifies. And then let me tell you where we are looking at. We're looking at this. And then we're looking at that. Okay, so price points. Price points. It's 1.175. Let's see. Yeah, 1.175. Price point for this one. 1.075. Yeah, I think that we can work on. 1.075. Okay. So that's it, guys. Is there any other questions, please? Godwin.
Sir,
Do you understand the assignment?
I'm getting it, but I'll go back and watch the video.
Yeah. So I need the assignment. Without assignments, you're not proceeding anywhere.
All right, so I'll be
If you have problems, call me. I'll help you. All right.
Okay.
I want every one of us to understand it perfectly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because after we've done at a point, I will change the password on the training. I don't want people to have access to it. So then it should be within time as well. Okay. All right. Any questions, guys? And then we can just preview the next assignment quickly. Any questions?
So I'm asking how am I going to save after doing that?
Okay,
After doing
so
that assignment, how will I save?
when you do the assignment, you can have anything. What do you use this thing? Microsoft Office. Do you have Word on your laptop, or do you use
Yes, sir.
MacBook, or do you use this thing? Do you
I
have
use
Word
Mac.
on your thing? Do you have Word on your You know how to use Word?
No, sir. I've
Okay.
not tried before.
So I will send you this pairs that we are looking at, the template. I'll send you the template.
Okay.
So what it is when you've created what we have to create, let me show you how the template looks like. I'm coming. Let me open the template. Save. Where is foundation template? Foundation. Don't cry. Can you find the foundation template? Okay, let me just use an example for argument's sake. All right, so I will send you something like this. Right, but you won't have the links. You have the links on it. You have it. It will be blank like this.
Okay.
Okay. Like, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. It will be blank like this. Don't cry. Don't cry. You're feeling sleepy. Don't cry. Okay. All right. So we blank like this. So when you go into the chart, based on what we've done, you will then go and. So, for example, you've marked your things. You've gone to the monthly. You've got the line graph. You've done it like that, but you have to label it. So from here, like how I did the other time in the other training, watch how it is done and find the levels. And then you have to label it. You put a text on it. You go to text, put a text on it. Monthly. You put this thing between here, between the two. If you watch the other video, you can see. If you're struggling, call me. I'll help you.
Okay.
So dash lines, and then you name it. Here, we'll name this one weekly.
But I can do all on Wanda, right?
Yeah, you can do all. You can choose one broker and use it there, and then
Okay.
the other ones we name them monthly. Also, the weekly actually. Okay, let's. So the weekly actually will be there, and the monthly, and then you have another one at the top, another one at the check, that kind of thing. When you finish and you want to save it, you see here, you see where the camera is.
Yes.
You click on the camera and copy this one, copy link. When you
Okay.
copy the link, then you go into the Word file. Yeah. Which one did we just look at now? Which is this one is Euro USD. So you go into the Word file and look for Euro USD, which is this one. And then you paste that there. Right click paste. And so it gives me the link. Enter. It becomes hyperlink. Do you understand?
Okay.
And then you go and find gold and do that one on it. When you finish, go to the camera, pick it on gold. So like let's say you've done gold. Right. Let's say we've done gold. You've done it the way it has to be done. Watch the other video, the one I did the other time. You should be able to see it. Watch the way it has to be done. You mark it, label everything nicely. Camera, copy link, and then you come to the web file. Boom, paste the link. That makes sense.
Okay.
And when you finish, save this. I'll send you this template. You save this
Okay.
and then you email it to me, or you can put it on WhatsApp to me and I'll download it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If you're having problems with all those, I'll show you. Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right. So that's that. Now the next thing is structure. Structure is simple, which is the next assignment. It's simple, but it's not simple. So structure, we have something we call the minor structure and then the major structure. So the major structure, normally you can pick that from the 4-hour, this thing, 4-hour, oh God, okay. You can pick this from the 4-hour, 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame. It's one of two. Do you understand? So if you are looking at the 4-hour time frame, and let me delete this one out. If you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, we've got tutorials that I'm in. Let me check. Yeah, I'm in tutorials, that's fine. So I can take a lot of these off. Yeah. And hide. All right, so you need a plain thing like that. All right, and what we want is, according to the assignment, what structure was saying is that, let me go and get the structure assignment quickly. Structure. So what structure is saying is, where's structure? All right. Close those two, right? Share. All right. What structure is saying is that assignment 2, structure and trends. You can find the thing at 6.2 on the training. Minor and major, minor, minor, and mini structures. This one, I put it in there just to clarify that you can find 3 structures if you want. You know, so what it was saying was identify 5 trends on each pair on the 4-hour time frame. So by this one, you can either use the 4-hour, let's say 4-hour time frame, let's stick to 4-hour. Then we'll come to the 1-hour time frame and come and find another structure within the 4-hour. Let's take it this way. And then break down the above structure into a mini structure on the 30 minutes. But this one, we'll leave it at 15 minutes. Use 15 minutes instead, okay? So if you have, I will send the structure assignment to you guys. Right, so let me go and explain what that means. Okay, so now let me go and explain what that means. It means that go to the 4-hour, yeah, and then you are going to find 5 trends, right? So we can have something like this. It'll be very big. but I think eventually we'll reduce it anyway. So let's start from something like here. It'll be very big, but let's start it according to. So normally I'll use this one. And then I start my train here. This first leg of the train, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. And then let's say this is the fifth leg. Okay, does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
select glue for that. So 5 legs. Okay, so this is what the 4-hour time frame. So this structure assignment, you're using time frames. Then come to the 1 hour. And then the 1 hour, you break it down based on what you see in the 1 hour. So this is my 1 hour, right? If you look very closely, the 1 hour structure looks very closely, looks as close to the 4 hour in a way. All this thing can be a 1 hour leg. Although we have this small, you see, it's almost like a flat thing, like sideways. So the 1 hour can typically have the same leg here, 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 here. Let me see what's happening next. Let me change the color. So you can change your colors. All right, so here. And then from here, we come all the way there because there's no much movement here. You see, so the 1 hour almost look like the 4 hour in a way. But you can have here in this case, and then you come down. This one, there's a slight deviation of coming down here. Why? Because if you look at it very carefully, all this place, we call it a flood. Yeah, oh sorry. The next thing. You see, all this place, clone. You know what I mean? And all this is a sideways. You see it? So we call it only one. You know what I'm saying? So you want to see only one coming down. This is the most important assignment in the whole thing. Right. And then we can continue from there. Here, and there. Does it make sense, guys? So this is the 1 hour. Now from the 1 hour, you go into what we call the 15 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you go into the 15 minutes, where I got this? Where I got this? Oh. Okay. So you see how this thing looks small in the 1 hour, but when you come into the 15 minutes, it looks huge. All right. You see, it looks very huge. So 15 minutes. Let's hide the 15 minutes. So all the way down. Where did they start? Well, that's why. And then I'll show you how to print, how to take the screenshot on this one. It's not simple as that, but it's simple. When I show you it. Hey, it's a lot to go. You see how you have to go all the way. So that's where it doesn't even go far because the 15 minutes cannot go this far anyway. So let's say we will start from somewhere there. Okay. So this is the 1 hour. So let's start from here for argument's sake. So here, let's change the colors and then I'll start again. Let's do something like that for the so closes. So in the 15 minutes, you pick this here. Oh God. And I'll explain why this. Here, you see, here. Then we come down here. We go there. Then we come down here. We go up. We come down here. We go up. We come down. Equal lows actually. Then we go up. So you see all this place is sideways. Yeah. So you can call them all one. And then when you pick it, come down here, you go up. You come down. All this up, up, up. You're only going up now. And then we reversed. So from here, here's a whole reversal. You come here, you come here, you pick it up again. Now even this can actually go all the way. And then it comes all the reversal. Even this one is just too small. Okay. Let me adjust this bit. Yeah. And then all this way is looking like it's sideways in a way. So you can treat it as one. So then you continue. There, 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 there. Oh, how have I done? I think I'm all the way somewhere. What is this? What am I? Think, all right, let me see one eye and see if I'm still in there. Oh, looks like I've lost. Oh, yeah, there. Yeah, so I was all the way there. I need to bring it across. Okay. All right, so we're here. There. And then all the way, 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 there. Right. So then from here, let's see how far we can go. From here, all the way, all the way, all the way there to the top. The bottom here, yeah, to the top. This looks like a sideways. So technically, you can actually come here, go to the top, perfect. Right, now we're coming to the end. And then I'll explain something finally and we should be done. Okay, now, so you can see structure. So let's go into some like the 1 hour. You can see structure within structure. If we stand on the 4 hour, you see we can see structure within structure. You got what I'm saying? Meaning that these small structures, these are the ones we'll be trading. But the big structures will tell us where final destinations are. Do you understand? So, for example, 4 hour, if let's say we pick a Fibonacci on the 4 hour, we normally will be able to tell where price could possibly end. So for example, let's say we are here in the market and then we've picked Fibonacci from there. When we know the major structure, we put it on it. So like we come all the way there. We know that price could end when we get to this area. So maybe price is still going on to the top. You know what I mean? However, when we come to the 1 hour, we can also pick Fibonacci based on the 1 hour structure and we know where price will end. So for example, we pick a fib on this one. Let's go from there to the top somewhere there. A fib respecting this area, we expect the fib to come still to the 618 areas, which means we are still continuing to reach 618. We cut 712, but then we're still possibly going to reverse. But then those are not the things we trade. That gives us the overall idea of where price could eventually make a major return. But then what we trade technically is the 15 minutes. You know what I mean? So in the 15 minutes, for example, these are the trades we're taking. You know what I mean? For example, you are on this trend. You want to know where price, maybe you've entered a trade, you want to know where price will eventually hit. Because we reversed somewhere on the 0.236, we are coming to 27, which hits perfectly. So when we get to 27, we want to reverse out, and it reverses before it continues. So you can either wait for the reversal to finish and trade a continuation, or trade the reversal, come out of the reversal. There's a way you would find where to come out, and then trade a continuation by using our trend line breaking retest, that kind of thing. So this is the timing. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah.
Okay. So I'll be putting the
Yeah,
template
it's a-
template on the group, and then with this template, I want us to do many. I know that the assignment says that we should find 5 trends. You know, so what I would like you to do though is find 5 trends on the 4 hour, and then take a separate picture. You understand? So when you stand on the 4 hour, find the 5 trends, and then take it a separate picture. So all I want to see is blue. You see the blue 5 trends. Take it a separate picture, and then for you to do the trends with a 1 hour, do only 3. 1, 2, 3. Start the 1 hour from 1 to 3, so you are able to take the picture and then include the 15 minutes within that one. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Or is it clear? The reason why I'm saying find 5 trends, so that at least you can see the trends. You know what I mean? Or still, we can still do it this way. 5 trends, and then you can just do the 5 trends and put it and see if we're having a picture problem. We'll find a way to fix that. If you want to take the picture, go to the 4 hour, go still to the camera, and do a link. Does that make sense, guys? So for this, because structure is so important, we are going to add all the pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you can add your this thing, AUD, USD, that is Phyllis, if you want to add that one. So we are doing it for all these, okay, guys? Oh, let me see my template, what I have in my template. Structure. I've got I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I've got 8. Yeah, so I'm going to put the 8 there. We do the 8 because it's very, very important to know structure. And that is where possibly we might spend the bulk of the time. And then from there, we'll move to the lecture. Okay? I'm going to put it there now. So, guys, we'll catch up soon. All right. I'll upload this thing and also put it in the group. You know, I want to start doing it private because of legal reasons. All right. Bye-bye, guys.